In this video, I am going to show you how you can share an article from Safari with someone else as a PDF. Let's get started. You can share an article from Safari with someone else as a PDF. To do this, open the article in Safari, tap the share button at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on the options button where you can choose PDF. The only problem with this method is that you won't be able to see the PDF before you send it instead. You'll just see a generic PDF icon like in the Messages app, for example. There is an alternative way to send a PDF of a Safari article, and it also lets you highlight the text before you send it. Start the same way by opening the article in Safari and tapping the share button at the bottom of the screen. This time, scroll down and tap on print. When you do this, you'll see a preview of the article appear at the bottom of the screen. You can deselect any pages that you don't want to include in the PDF. Once you're happy with the selection, use your fingers to make a zoom motion on the preview as if you're trying to zoom in on a photo. This will open a full preview of the PDF file in the PDF preview. You can select text with your finger and choose highlights. You'll see options to change the highlight color, underline the text, or use strike through. Once you've finished highlighting, you can send the PDF by tapping the share button in the bottom left corner and sharing it as you normally would. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to iPhone Insider for more quick iPhone tricks, hidden features, and smart tips to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.